Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to add the quote feature to your app. Log into your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the Overview page. Next, under the Edit, Test, and Go Live section, click on Edit. Now to add the quote feature, click on the Add Feature button in the sidebar. Then click View All and search Quote. Click on the feature to add it to your app. Once you added the feature, you will see the feature listed in My Features section, where you can edit, customize, and organize the added features the way you want. Now hover over the feature and you will have options to show hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, delete the feature, and move the feature. Now let's check out what all you can do with the newly added quote feature. Click on the pencil icon here to edit and customize the feature. This is your page or feature name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or an outline icon, or an image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image. Let's move to the content section now. Enter the Firebase database URL, database name, and secret key in the respected fields. If you don't know how to obtain these, then click the eye icon here and follow the steps mentioned in the tutorial. After providing the database URL, database name, and secret key, click on Authenticate, and once your Firebase database is authenticated successfully, you will see the blue ticks in these fields and also an option to add quotes. Now click on the Add Quotes button here, and you'll be redirected to the quote section. Here you will see all your quotes listed once you start adding them. Now let's add a quote. Click on the Add Quote button here. Enter the quote you would like to share in this field. Next, enter the name of the author for the quote. From here, you can select the date on which you want to display the quote for your users. If you want to add an image or video to your quote, then select this Add Media checkbox here. You can add images or videos by uploading media URLs or by uploading media files from your device. Just to inform you, you can only add either a single image or video to your quote. Once you're done adding the details, click on Save. Now here you will see the quote has been added. You can review the quote details including quote, author name, and display date. Hover over the area here and click on the three-dot icon to view quote details, edit the quote, and delete the quote. From here you can search the quotes by author name. If you want to add multiple quotes, then click on the Add Quotes button. Click this bin icon to delete your selected quotes. Next, click the Import CSV button here to add multiple quotes listed in a single go by uploading a CSV file. You can even export your created quote listings in CSV format by clicking the Export CSV button. Now let's move on to the Configuration Settings section. This section lets you configure the quote feature settings. From here you can select the date format if you want to display the previous date's quote in your app. Then turn on this toggle. If there's no quote schedule for a particular date, then you can choose to display a previous date's quote, a custom quote, or no quote. If you select the custom quote option, then you can enter the quote here. Coming to the language settings section, under language settings you can manage all text alerts and messages showing up in the quote feature. Now let's go back and change the layout and color scheme of the quote feature. Click on this color palette icon to change the page style and color scheme. Click on the background icon and select an image for the page background. If you want, you can select an image from a library, solid color, or upload your own custom background image. From here you can set the page elements, color, and font size. You can even hide the borders and the quote icon by enabling the respective toggles here. Now let's enable in-app purchase for this feature. Click the InApp Settings icon in the side menu, then under InApp Settings, enable the InApp toggle and provide the necessary credentials in the required fields. Please note you can enable InApp for both Android and iOS. For getting the credentials, you can click on the question mark icon and refer to our tutorial. After providing the credentials, you can use them as global credentials by checking this checkbox here. Please note you can also add new credentials if you want. Once you're done, click on Save to save the changes manually, or directly click the Publish button to see the reflection of your latest updates on your mobile app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.